Now, this is a question on unitary method. This is a fairly easy question. We are given that a worker carries jugs of liquid soap from production line to packaging area, and he carries 4 jugs per trip. So let's write that down first. So he carries 4 jugs per trip. Now we are given that each of these jugs, they are packed into cartons that hold 7 jugs each. So the cartons hold 7 jugs each. And we have to find out how many jugs are needed to fill the last partially filled carton after the worker has made 17 trips. So the number of trips he has already made is 17. Now this is all the information that we can infer from the question. We move on to step 2, which is understanding how to solve the question. Now the total number of jugs that he has already carried will be equal to 17 multiplied by 4, since he has already made 17 trips, and in each trip he carries 4 jugs. And we have to keep in mind that one carton contains 7 jugs. So the number of cartons that is already filled will be equal to 17 multiplied by 4 divided by 7, and then we will also get a remainder. Now we have to look out for the remainder, because this will help us determine the number of jugs that are needed to fill the last partially filled carton. So we now move on to step 3, which is the calculation. We have the total number of jugs to be equal to 17 into 4, which is 68. Then the number of cartons completely filled will be equal to 68 by 7. Now this gives us 9 plus 5 jugs more. So we have that one carton contains 7 jugs and it already has 5 jugs. So the number of jugs that we require is 2 more. Hence the correct answer is option B.